Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depends on your location, where you're watching me from. My name is General Donjapari, Biginati Enwabolebu, the Ozoro of Ozobolanakbo, the Oracle of the Southeast, the Ebute Ora Eke, the EOG of Iowa. One now Muneku, and one of my advice is this. Let me go straight to the point. Please, I know you guys are not happy, but please don't burn any bank. Don't burn any petrol stations. Don't burn any government properties. What you do that day, 25 February 2023, take your PVC to the ballot box. Take your anger to the ballot box. Vote these people out. Vote them out. Vote them out. Vote